got all different tracks. You can make a remix and bump it up to the max. When they tell you a playlist is headed your way, you can be like, there's a few here I don't wanna play. You don't have to explain, not a verb, not today, cause you know what it's like when you're feeling that way. It's the same every day, get your chance to succeed. You can let go of things that you know you don't need. Call in the station and make a